In order to embed our video inside our discussion board, we first need to go to our YouTube account where our video is stored. So once we find our video, we're going to go to the bottom right-hand side of right below the video, and there's going to be a share button. We're going to click on share, and that should bring up a menu of options for us. Several things you can do. The first one, little button there, it says embed. So we're going to click on that, and it should come up with an embed code, which is, you see right here, that is the source code. And we're going to copy that. So we can either highlight it and copy it, like click on it and highlight it, or we can just hit copy and it'll copy the entire code. So once we do that, we're going to go back to our discussion board, and we are going to go to the bottom after all the directions, and we're going to hit our reply so that we can put our video in here. So we are going to put our career video. We can just call it career video, or whatever you would like to title it, clinical psychology or whatever you've decided to pursue. And then we're going to hit the Insert Edit Media button. And the second tab says Embed. We're going to click the Embed, and we're going to paste it in here. So you can do a right click and a paste, or you can do a Control V and that will paste it in there. And then we're going to hit OK, and that should put our video inside our discussion board so that everyone can watch it and comment. Thank you.